Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Leibhéal A1 topic go cuaig. Rannóg go cuaig. Tuairimí a chur in úil faoi caitheamh Aimsire. Expressing opinions about pastimes, focusing on Labhairt speaking. Le múna ag fhíomhrí de dhuine an má leis caitheamh Aimsire áirithe agus an ceisian a ragart, Tuairimí a chur in úil faoi caitheamh Aimsire. Asking someone do they like a particular pastime and answering the question, expressing opinions about pastimes. An málaat, do you like? An málaat, is málam, ní málam. We covered this in Aine de Cahar, Teach agus Lóistín, when we were talking about houses and lodging. So, an málaat, do you like? An málaat ceol tradiisiúnta. Do you like traditional music? Is má, ní má. An málaat golf. Do you like golf? Is má, ní má. Yes, I do. No, I don't. An málaat soccer. Do you like soccer? Is má, ní má. So to express an opinion about a pastime, you can say you like it or you don't. And again, to create the question, an málaat radégan, do you like a particular thing? Tuairimí a chur in úil, expressing opinions. So obviously if you like something, there are different levels of liking something. It can be your favorite thing in the world or all the way down to can't stand it at all. So we'll go through the different ways of expressing those opinions. An málaat ceol tradiisiúnta. Do you like traditional music? Is fearlam. I prefer it. Is fearlam é. Is fearlam é. Is brálam é. I love it. Is brálam. I love it. Is málam. I like. Is málam. I like. Ní málam. I don't like. Ní málam. Is fualam. I hate it. Is fualam. Níl simdá the gum. I or sa radégan. I have no interest in it whatsoever. Níl simdá the gum. So we'll go through those again and I'll have you repeat them after me. So an málaat ceol tradiisiúnta. Is fearlam. Is fearlam. Repeat after me. Is fearlam. Is fearlam. Is brálam. Is brálam. Is brálam. Is málam. Is málam. Is málam. Ní málam. Ní málam. Ní málam. Is fualam. Is fualam. Is fualam. Níl simdá a gum. Níl simdá a gum. Níl simdá a gum. Níl simdá a gum. So, tuairimí a chur in úil, expressing opinions. Mar hampla, for example, is brálam pell agus rugby ach is fearlam a bhaint. I like Gaelic football and rugby, but I prefer hurling. Is brálam pell agus rugby ach is fearlam a bhaint. Is fearlam, is brálam, is málam, ní málam, is fualam, níl simdá a gum. So take a moment to pause the recording here and maybe compose 2 or 3 sentences yourself. Is fearlam ceol tradiisiúnta. Is fualam rachceol. Is málam hockey. Is fualam rugby. Agus ná Jane Dharma, don't forget, Cuimhnig, remember, cuirtar séimhú an animacal aníag an réamhacail sa, más féidir. So don't forget you put a séimhú on a noun after the preposition sa or in, más féidir, if it's a consonant that takes a séimhú. Mar hampla, samplaí, examples, sa cheol, sa ghalf, sa fell. Níl sim dá laghad agam sa fell. Níl sim dá laghad agam sa ghalf. Anish, fragar na ceistena, and now answer the questions with one of the ways we've just learned. Try and use a different one for each. An málat soccer. An málat Jennifer Lopez. An málat an grúpa U2. An málat ledóg. An málat golf. An málat opera. An málat bheithigre. An málat an Gaeilge. Ag an bhilóg Tuairimí a chur in úl má thuairim féin uait an gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout Giving Opinions, My Own Opinion for this activity. Tuairimí a chur in úl, expressing your opinions. Féach an list of the cineálacha Aimsire sa circle hias. Look at the list of different pastimes in the circle below. Scríomh Aimsire amháin le gach frása a haon go dtí a sé ag léarú de thuairim a faoi. Write a pastime in each of the phrases 1 to 6, expressing your own opinion about it. And here we have our list. Pell, ceol tradiisiúnta, so Gaelic football, traditional music, amháin, hurling, scanáin, movies, golf, rock ceol, rock music, ceol clásicach, classical music, ladóg, tennis, drámaí, plays and dramas, on telefís, television, rugby, pop ceol, pop music, and an Gaeilge, Irish language. Come ceistena faoi na cineálacha Aimsire éagsúla, mar hampla, an málat ladóg. So compose some questions about the different types of pastimes. For example, an málat ladóg. An sin, chuir na ceistena céanna ort féin, mar hampla, an málat fell. And then ask yourself those questions and answer them. Nuair a ragríonn tú an cheist, when úsáid as na frásaí nos is full an pell, ag bra de thuairim farsanta. When you answer the questions, use the phrases, for example, I hate football, depending on your own opinion. Tuairimí a chur in úl, and now expressing your own opinions, come cúig ráiteas faoi cineálacha Aimsire. Compose 5 statements about different pastimes. Déanfhearach ráiteas bhréagach a chrotthú, try and create false statements, agus an sin léinn a ráiteas amach ó sword, and then read the statements out loud. And that concludes Rannóg a cúig Tuairimí a chur in úl faoi Aimsire. Ag fífrí de rinne an má leis Aimsire áirithe agus an ceisian a Ragart, Tuairimí a chur in úl faoi Aimsire. Asking someone if they like a particular pastime, answering the question, and expressing opinions about pastimes. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lús cartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.